Hi friends, welcome to Ratnam's Music and Arts. Today we are going to make a paper arrow, and if you want to make a paper arrow out of newspaper, please watch this video till end, and please like if you like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to comment below. Let's start. Let's go and start to making the newspaper arrow. For making the newspaper arrow, you need a scissor, a plaster, a cello tape, and you need a newspapers or papers. So now let's make. First, take a newspaper and open it and just roll it like this. After rolling, take a tape take this tape and tape it here. After taping, your paper will be look like this. And now take one end of a paper and do like this. And tape it here in like this. After taping, your paper will look like this, and front will look like this. Now let's modify this. After taping this, take a paper and cut it small, and take this paper and fold it like this, and this side also like this, and again fold it like this, and fold this end too like that. And after doing this, tape it here. Okay, tape it here. This part will be the front of our arrow. After taping, cut the last end like this. After cutting, your arrow will look like this, and you need to open this and like this, and keep it here like this. Now tape this part there and here. Let's do after taping, your arrow will look like this, and this is somewhat strong arrow, so this is the arrow I made. If you want to make it and tell how it is in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to comment below and share this channel to your friends, family members, or anyone. Thank you for watching my video.